This is the outside where my water heater is. This is my patio. It's nice. I need to throw those couches away. The broken thing is down here. It's still dripping. Water's coming out there. That's the heating element that got toasted. There's this thing coming out the bottom of it that used to go in that hole over there. This is the electrical cable. The people who installed this weren't brilliant. They were fucking morons. That's where it's going into the top. The cable goes around. It looks like they connected two of them with a lot of electrical tape. It just goes around and goes into the wall. There. Along the other side, pipes go down, and the electrical's right on the other side of that pipe there. Here's my kitchen, and the breaker box is right over there. Let me go inside. I made that fence, or I built the door. I had to redo it. I'm kind of living, this is my friend over here. I'm living in my living room since everything is, well, I don't have any space upstairs. So the hot water heater is right there, and circuit breaker's over here. Let's see here. It must go across here and then down over here. The washer and dryer are recessed into the wall here. My room is right above this, but above this right here is just a little tiny roof on the outside. Here's the breaker. There's a 30. This is for the hot water. This is the 60 for the AC. 15, 20, 15, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30. I don't know what these are. I checked every single outlet in the house, and those two don't matter if they're on or off. I usually keep them off. I turned them on to test something a little earlier. And that's the hot water heater, which is currently off. And, well, that's about it. This is all my junk. I still haven't moved. Well, this is my, I'll show you my upstairs. Here's my bedroom. I don't have any lights in here. I have a light in my bathroom though. It's my bathroom. There, you can kind of see my bedroom a little better with that light on. And there's two more bedrooms. One here, no lights in it. One here, I'm letting a friend keep a cat, so there's light here. And there's a cat. This is the, I'm gonna replace that with wood floor. Here's another bathroom. and I'm gonna have to fix up. And then just my kitchen. Everything's still a mess. Okay.